Well, hello and welcome to another video. Right now, I'm trying to do this Intellitronix Dash that I have for a long time. I used to have in my 84 Trans Am when I did the first conversion. Because again, I'm trying not to turn this into a full, four-season kit car. I'm using my Intellitronix Dash that I had a long time ago. And everything works, and the speedometer works with this signal. Thanks to Mother Scotty, who told me when he was doing his dashboard, same type of car, 90s and up, the signal will not come in through, so I have to use this. Then I have to print out the instructions just to see what the deal is. Where am I missing? Okay, so it does work when I connect it. Everything lights up. So I gotta figure out the fuel, because for some reason my fuel says 75%. Maybe it's connected to the opposite side. When instead of reading the empty, it reads the it's reading full, it reads empty, meaning that 75% of fuel used, and only because I only have less than a quarter of a tank in the car. But everything works except for the oh my goodness. So everything works except for the temperature, and what else? The RPMs, the fuel. I gotta tune it. I think that was it. Is it because the temperature is the only thing? Because the oil pressure works, everything else works. All right, let me keep trying to figure this out, and I'll plug it back in when everything is done. All right, so we finished. I don't know why it flickers on the video, but it doesn't flicker. Again, Motors Scotty, thank you so much for letting me know that you have to buy this additional for our cars. Is this item right here? Let me see. Oh, here you go. For the cars in 1990 and up, or 89 and up, whenever they went to the new speedometers, this is the stuff that you got to buy for that the signal to work. And it was easy to set up the speedometer. The speedometer track with the GPS is right on point, is acting well. Like I said, the oil pressure kind of reads high on this one, but at least now I track it that it's like, I will say 20 over. So what 65 means 45, and it goes all the way to 75. So it's perfect range. Unless I gun it, it goes to a little bit farther up. So the electric, whatchamacallit, the voltage reads perfectly 13.9. The other one I always get like right at 13.1. Just fill the fuel tank. It only goes to 99, so it's a fuel tank. It's full, and the RPMs still it's perfect. It's running in park. That's in reverse, so it's now it goes down. So everything works perfectly fine. So it was good. My boy box is good. I fixed my little things. So I think this is as far as I'm gonna go with this kit. I probably put some colorful decals to kind of make it look like the 3 and 4. Got different angles like here. So I am gonna build a center console. I actually just bought a center console for an 82 Trans Am, which it fits this one, and it kind of opens, I want to say opens backwards. So we'll see how we're gonna do that. So it's a little wider. Kind of look the old ones better. This thing, I don't know. I never liked the ones from the 85s and up. Anyway, I'm gonna do this short because it's Father's Day and I gotta go back inside. My kids are on their way. We're gonna go eat out. And happy Father's Day to everybody, and talk to you soon. Ask me questions about this. This was a fun project, which I think this is it. I'm not gonna pursue it anymore. I like the gauges. That's it's simple, it's easy. I can easily put a switch pod down here, but it's just too much. I think this is as good as it's gonna get for me. And until next time, talk to you guys later. Bye. Okay, so in conclusion, I wanted to tell you guys that I actually had the fuel and the oil pressure backwards. I don't know how I missed it. So I feel that yesterday. I've been driving it for a little bit, so it's really fine. It's a 96%. My oil pressure is really fine. It's a 45%. 45 psi. This is a 13.8. The charging, which when I start driving, it goes to 14.1, depending on how much I have. I'm turning it on, so everything works. The speedometer, the RPMs. Let me put it in. The only thing that is not working is the whatchamacallit, is the temperature gauge, but everything else is actually good. They don't flicker anymore, I guess, once I put it in park. But the RPM is reading good. I gotta get it closer. That's what it is. Okay, so you can focus better. And that's the so again, this is not bad for. I think I paid for this like about $300 on eBay. That's where I got it from. And like I said, if you're using it on a 90 and up, you're gonna have to use that extra powerful Intellitronix to work with this. And actually, it is really good. I love it. I just might put some decals to give it some more color on the thing, and we'll see how it goes. But I'm pretty much done with my daily driving kit. You know, this is as far as I'm gonna go. I'm very happy with it. Other than that, let me know what else can I do. I am doing a little center console. Since I bought I was able to get my hands on a 84 Camaro thing, which is pretty much the same as the Trans Am, but the only difference is the Trans Am opens this way and the Camaro opens up. So, and that's all for now. See you guys later.